Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see all the reports you have ever made on TikTok videos. For example, if you want to see all the reports history you have reported on TikTok videos, so how you can check for that videos you have reported on TikTok. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here and you have to check for the TikTok app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app. And after installing the latest version, and you have to simply open the TikTok app, and as you open the TikTok app, here you have to simply go to the home button, and there are two methods available if you want to see the all of the videos you have reported. The first option is that you have to click on share button and you have to simply report any video on TikTok. And as you report the video, as you click on submit and you click on view your reports, and then you will find all of the reports here. So here you can simply find all of your reported videos, and if you want to see what is the status of your videos, reported videos, then you can simply see it from here. And moreover, you can also see what is the progress of your reported videos. And if you click on more option, then there is also option available to delete the report. So here you can simply find and delete the report of the TikTok videos, and you can simply find it here from here. And after that, here you can simply find it from here. Or more, the second method is as that you have to simply click on profile, and after that you have to click on three lines. Here you have to simply go to settings and privacy, and you have to go to safety center. As you click on safety center, then you have to find the privacy tools, and you'll find all of your privacy tools from here, and you will have to click on the privacy safety center. As you click on safety center, then you will find all of your reported videos from here. Moreover, you can also click on resources, and option is available, and if you click on three lines, then you can find tools and guides, and you will find the reporting on TikTok. So here you can simply find all the options, and after you will find the detail about your reported videos. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.